thing, right? So the car's acting like it should, but nobody uploads those videos because they don't get any viewers. So when you hear or watch videos about FSD, it's only the bad things that happen, which is unfortunate because it does a great job, except for in situations like this. So you'll see the car is actually needing to get into the rightmost left lane, but it's kind of bobbing and weaving across. Luckily, nobody was actually behind me, so it wasn't an issue. However, had there been traffic there, I'm sure it would have caused confusion to drivers. Like, I would have been going, what the heck's this guy doing? So, not the best thing. I wish there was a button for me to report it. Who knows? Maybe it reports it on its own.